ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We are looking at these shabdas. Now we are little bit familiar with lat, lot, lut. These three we are familiar. So let us go through once, then we will lat lakara, lot lakara, and rut lakara. Yeah, please, can you one by one each dhatu? 3 lakaras. Everyone should tell. Okay, Shivananji. Okay, Bhudhatu everybody knows. Shivananji, please can you start?
This is Rohiti only.
Ruh dhatu.
Rohiti, Rohita, Rohanti, Rohasi, Rohataha, Rohata, Rohami, Rohavaha, Rohamaha. Then Rohatu, Rohatam, Rohantu, Roha, Rohatam, Rohata, Rohani, Rohava, Rohama.
In Brihadaranyaka, 1, 3, 27 or 28 mantra, this lot lakara, 2 form did not come. Tat form came. Shabda, I'll look at and I'll tell. See, we should be very familiar with the other 2 forms also. Rohatat, tad is doesn't matter. We can remember that much easily. But rohatat, rohatu. Both shabdas we have to be very familiar. And next one, roha, rohatat. Both are same. Swamiji mentioned the sutra also. By which sutra this tat came? That is the sutra today I have chanted. Okay, please continue.
Rohishyati, Rohishyati, Rohishyataha, Rohishyanti, Rohishyasi, Rohishyataha, Rohishyataha, Rohishyami, Rohishyavaha, Rohishyamaha.
Next, Kavya. Kavya is there? Okay, Jaya.
Amma Hari Om Amma.
Next, Tyaj Dhatu.
Amma tej dhatu roh da ela chappalama tejati tejta tejanti.
Yes.
Tejati tejataha tejanti tejasi tejataha tejata त्यजामि त्यजावः त्यजामः लोट् त्यजतु त्यजतां त्यजन्तु त्यजा त्यजतं त्यजता त्यजानि त्यजावः त्यजाम అమ్మ లుట్ కూడా చెప్పాలమ్మా
Yes.
त्यज त्यजसि त्यजसि
Wait.
त्यज
Tyakshyati.
त्यक्ष అవును त्यक्षति त्यक्षतः त्यक्षन्ति त्यक्षसि त्यक्षतः त्यक्षत त्यक्षामि त्यक्षावः त्यक्षामः
Next, vas dhatu. Shirisha ji.
वसति वसतः वसन्ति वससि वसतः वसथ वसामि वसावः वसामः वसतात् वसतात् वसतां वसतु वसतां वसन्तु वसतात् वसतात् वसतं वसत वसानि वसाव वसाम वत्स्यति वत्स्यतः वत्स्यन्ति वत्स्यसि वत्स्यतः वत्स्यथ वत्स्यामि वत्स्यावः वत्स्यामः.
Now, if you notice that lat lakara and rut lakara both are similar, but in rut lakara, bhavishyat lakara, either shya will come or sya will come. Shya or sya. All other things are completely same as lat lakara. Here vasati, instead of vasati, vatsyati. That sakara will change into takara, vatsyati. Like that. Vatsyataha, vasataha. So, why I am telling this, even if we don't memorize all these shabdas, at least when form comes, we should be able to recognize whether it is lat lakara or rut lakara, bhavishyat lakara or vartamana lakara. That much we should be able to remember. If we remember these small things, then it will be easy even if we don't memorize. But we should memorize. We will memorize. Okay. Ni dhatu. Aparna ji.
ओम पूर्णजी नयति नयतः नयन्ति नयसि नयतः नयथ नयामि नयावः नयामः. This is lat lakara. Then lot lakara is नयतात् नयताद् नयतु नयतां नयन्तु नय नयताद् नयताद् नयतं नयता नयानि नयाव नयाम. Then lit lakara is नेष्यति नेष्यतः नेष्यन्ति नेष्यसि नेष्यतः नेष्यथ नेष्यामि नेष्यावः नेष्यामः.
Here shya comes. Then ti. So how dhatu has changed ni to ne, that even if we don't remember, ni dhatu came ne, like that if we don't remember, just shya is there, ti is there. Ti is there, that means lat lakara. But before ti, there is shya, that means rut lakara bhavishyat kala. Like that, when we remember in short way, it will be easy. Next, Vijaya ji.
दोग्धी दुग्धः दुहन्ति दोक्षी दुग्धः दुग्धा दोह्मी दुह्वः दुह्मः दुग्धात् दुग्धात् दुग्धाद् दोग्धु दुग्धां दुहन्तु दुग्धात् दुग्धाद् दुग्धि दुग्धं दुग्धा दोहानि दोहाव दोहाम धोक्ष्यति धोक्ष्यतः धोक्ष्यन्ति धोक्ष्यसि धोक्ष्यतः धोक्ष्यत धोक्ष्यामि धोक्ष्यावः धोक्ष्यामः
Next, Anusha.
दण्डयति दण्डयतः दण्डयन्ति दण्डयसि दण्डयतः दण्डयत दण्डयामि दण्डयावः दण्डयामः लोट् लकार दण्डयतात् दण्डयतां दण्डयन्तु दण्डय दण्डयतात् दण्डयताद् दण्डयतं दण्डयत दण्डयानि दण्डयाव दण्डयाम लोट् लकार दण्डिष्यति
Dandayishyati. No, no, Dandayishyati.
दण्डयिष्यति दण्डयिष्यतः दण्डयिष्यन्ति दण्डयिष्यसि दण्डयिष्यतः दण्डयिष्यथ दण्डयिष्यामि दण्डयिष्यावः दण्डयिष्यामः
Dandayishyamaha.
दण्डयिष्यामः
There is no hurry to finish. We can go slowly, but speak perfectly. Next, Shivananji. Kavya is not there, right? Shivananji.
रुणद्धि रुन्धः रुन्धन्ति रुन्दसि रुन्दः रुन्ध
Runatsi.
रुणत्सि रुन्दः रुन्धा रुन्ध्मि रुण्ध्वः रुन्मः
Runadmi.
रुणद्मि रुन्ध्वः रुन्मः
This is Rudhadigana, that's why it is different.
रोत्स्यति
No. Rundhu. Dhad.
रुन्धाद् रुन्धां रुन्धन्तु रुन्धात् रुन्धं रुन्ध रुन्धानि रुन्धाव
Runadhani.
रुणधानि रुणधाव रुणधाम रोत्स्यति रोत्स्यतः रोत्स्यन्ति रोत्स्यसि रोत्स्यथः रोत्स्यथ रोत्स्यामि रोत्स्यावः रोत्स्यामः
Next, Jaya. Ching Chayane. One more point. For almost all dhatus, I have written the Sanskrit meaning. Like Ruh Dhatu Bija Janmani. Bija Janmani means Ruh means Utpatti, Pradur Bhava. So in this Rachananvada Kaumudi, they have given Laukika meanings for some dhatus. But in Shastra, those meanings are not used at all. Like Ruh Dhatu, here Ruh Dhatu is given as Utpatti only. Some Dhatu. Some Dhatu meaning, which is completely Laukika. Gatyarthaka Dhatu. Gati Nivruttau, which Dhatu is there? I think it is not in this somewhere. So we have to remember these meanings. Ruha means Bija Janmani. Bhu means Sattayam. Ni means Prapane. Duhu means Prapurane. Danda means Danda Nipate. all these meanings we have to remember for dhatus. Ching chayane. This is ching chayane. Next, Jaya, continue.
चिनोति चिनुतः चिन्वन्ति चिनोषि चिनुतः चिनुथ चिनोमि चिनुवः चिन्वः चिनुमः चिन्मः लोट् चिनुतात् चिनुताद् चिनोतु चिनुतां चिन्वन्तु चिनु चिनुतात् चिनुताद् चिनुतं चिनुता चिनु चिन्वानि चिन्वाव
Chinavani. No. Chinavani.
चिनवानि चिनवाव चिनवाम चिनो चेष्यति चेष्यतः चेष्यन्ति चेष्यसि चेष्यतः चेष्यत चेष्यामि चेष्यावः चेष्यामः
Next, bru dhatu. Aparna ji.
Punachi, I think that dhatu was rud only. The laukika artha here in this abhyasa is given as rokna. I think maybe you're mentioning.
Rokna is dhatu. Rokna means what in Hindi? In English?
To stop.
To stop.
Rokna. Or to prevent or to stop.
It is given as avarane. Means to cover. So when we write they have given these kind of meanings. When we write these shabda, these abhyasa, udaharana vakyas are there, na? When we write, we need these meanings. Because based on those meanings only, they have given that, they prepared that vakya. So for now, these meanings are okay. But if we remember this Sanskrit meanings, then in Shastra, it will helpful. So when you are saying that bru dhatu, we can practice like brui vaktayam vachi, vyaktayam vachi. So vyaktayam vachi means to speak. Like that, we will know. So I will add the English meaning also here later for all dhatus. It will be easy, English and Sanskrit. But we should be very familiar with Sanskrit. Okay, continue.
Latlakara, braviti.
You can start with bru here. Okay. You can start here.
Okay. Bru vyaktayam vachi. Adadi ubhayapadi tvikarmakaha.
Those are not required. Those are not required. Just meaning only. Vyaktayam.
Braviti. Ahatuhu.
No. This is aha.
Aha. Braviti. Ahatuhu. Brutaha. Ahuhu. Bruvanti. Atyatha. No, there's no name. Atha. Bravishi. Ahyuhu.
Ahatuhu. It is tha.
Okay. Ahatuhu. Brutha. Bravimi. Bruvaha. Brumaha.
Yes.
Lot lakara. Bravitu. Brutad. Brutam. Bravantu.
Bruvantu.
Bruta. Brutad. Bruhi. Brutam. Bruta. Bravani. Bravava. Bravama. Vakshati. Vakshataha. Vakshanti. Vakshasi. Vakshataha. Vakshatha. Vakshyami. Vakshavaha. Vakshyamaha.
Next, Shirisha ji.
शास् शास् धातु अनुशिष्टौ शास्ति शिष्टः शासति शास्ति शिष्टः
शासि
शासि शिष्टः
हम्म।
शिष्ट शास्मि शिश्व शिश्मः
शिश्वः
शिश्वः शिश्मः लोट् लकार शास्तु शिष्टातु शिष्टात् शिष्टात् शिष्टाम
शिष्टाम्
शिष्टां शासतु शाधि शिष्टात् शिष्टाद् शिष्टं शिष्ट शासानि शासाव शासाम लुट् लकार शासिष्यति शासिष्यतः शासिष्यन्ति शासिष्यसि
not sa शासिष्यतः शासिष्यन्ति
शासिष्यति शासिष्यतः शासिष्यन्ति शासिष्यसि शासिष्यतः शासिष्यथ शासिष्यामि शासिष्यावः शासिष्यामः
good exercise for tongue. Okay, next mat dhatu. Anusha.
मथति मततः मथां विलोडने
mathe vilodane
मथे विलोडने लट्लकार मथति मततः मतन्ति मथसि मततः मतथा मथामि मथावः मथामः लोट्लकार मतथात् मतताद् मथतां
mathatu
मततु मतथां मतन्तु मथ मततात् मतताद् मततं मतथ मथत मथानि मथाव मथाम रुट्लकार मथिष्यति मथिष्यतः मथिष्यन्ति मथिष्यसि मथिष्यथः मथिष्यथ मथिष्यामि मथिष्यावः मथिष्यामः
next last dhatu mush sorry Vijayaji
मुष् स्तेये मुष् धातु स्तेये लट् लकार मुष्णाति मुष्णीतः मुष्णानि मुष्णन्ति मुष्णासि मुष्णीतः मुष्णीत मुष्णामि मुष्णीवः मुष्णीमः मुष्णातु मुष्णीतात् मुष्णीताद् मुष्णीतां मुष्णन्तु मुषाना मुष्णीतात् मुष्णीताद् मुष्णीतं मुष्णीत मुष्णानि मुष्णाव मुष्णाम मोषिष्यति मोषिष्यतः मोषिष्यन्ति मोषिष्यसि मोषिष्यतः मोषिष्यथ मोषिष्यामि मोषिष्यावः मोषिष्यामः.
Okay, now we will go to our abhyasa. Okay, we did Rama Shabda practice, right? Aja, Vasudha, Sudha, we finished it.
Amma, who అయిపోయిందమ్మా?
Which one?
Who ధాతు?
Where is Hru? Hru, Harati. Oh, I think I haven't copied there. Yeah, but who harati is like bhudhatu only. Lut may be hrishyati. To harane, harati, harataha, haranti, harasi, harataha, harata, harami, haravaha, haramaha. Haratat, haratam, harantu, haratat, haratu, haratam, harantu. Hara, haratat, haratam, harata, harani, harava, harama. Harishyati, harishyati, bhavishyati. Same as bhudhatu, harishyati, bhavishyati. Then see, earlier chapters, we saw some dhatus. So for those dhatus, it is given Rit Lakara. Bhavishyat Kala forms are given like Patishyati, Lekishyati, Gamishyati, Hasishyati, Agamishyati, Rakshishyati, Vadishyati, Patishyati, Smarishyati, like that. Where Shya comes, where Sya comes, that also they have divided some dhatus. So if you have any doubt, you can look at here, or it is better to look at Ashtadhyay. Those dhatus which we have not seen yet. Means Lut Lakara, past dhatus we have not seen. There is one niyama. Duh dhatu, yach dhatu, pach dhatu, dand, rudh, prach, chi, bru, shas, ji, mat, mush, ni, hr, krish, vah. I think all those dhatus which are given in this chapter, almost. Whenever these dhatus comes, two karmas will be there. Means it can be there, it cannot be there, but two karmas may be there. So examples, what are the examples? We will see in Abhyasa. Means those will be in Dvitiya. Those two padas, shabdas will be in Dvitiya whenever these dhatus comes. When we see example, it will be easy to understand. Okay. Jaya saha patishyati.
అతడు చదువుతాడు.
Anusha tvam gamishyasi.
నీవు వెళ్తావు.
Okay. In English, saha patishyati means he will study. He will or he will be. Which one is correct, Aparna ji?
Both are correct, Purna ji.
Okay.
It's, as long as it is in the future sense, it's okay.
Okay. Tvam gamishyasi. You will go. Aham agamishyami. Vijaya ji?
నేను వెళ్తాను.
Agamishyami.
నేను వస్తాను.
I will come. Saha drakshyati. Shivananji?
Drakshyati means
What is the dhatu for drakshyati?
दृष्ट
Hmm.
दृष्टातु
Drish dhatu. Drish dhatu, lrit lakara drakshyati. What is the meaning?
You will see.
Aja dugdham dogdhi. From here, this dvikarmaka shabdas are coming. Can you try, Aparna ji? Ajam dugdham dogdhi.
I try to mention. Ajam dugdham dogdhi. The sheep will give milk. Gives milk.
No, dogdhi is.
Oh no, doing it, right? Yeah.
Dogdhi is which purusha? Pratham purusha or uttam purusha or madhyam purusha?
प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम्
Pratham purusha ekavachanam.
लकार
In this ajam dugdham, they both are in which case?
Prathama.
No,
Dugdham and ajam are in dvitiyam.
they both are in dvitiya. So karta is not given. So we have to assume karta is saha because pratham purusha ekavachanam. Saha dogdhi. He is milking.
He is milking.
What he is milking?
The sheep.
What
milk.
he is milking? Milk.
Milk.
From where he is milking?
From the sheep.
From the sheep. So, Dugdham and Ajam both are in Dvitiya only.
Dvitiya.
Generally, if we do translation, that Chaturthi will come. Ajam means Chaturthi will come. Right? From sheep, he is milking the milk. Or here it is future tense. So from sheep,
he will.
But whenever this duh dhatu comes, then that ajam should be, which is in fourth case, that should be in dvitiya only.
Dvitiya vachan.
Is this example clear to all? అతడు మేక నుండి పాలు పితుకుతున్నాడు. దోగ్ధి మీన్స్ పితకడము. పితుకుతాడు. అతడు మేక నుండి పాలు పితుకుతాడు. సో వెన్ from is not chaturthi, panchami. From is panchami. So instead of panchami, it is using dvitiya because of this duh dhatu. Duh dhatu, whenever it comes, then that shabda will be in dvitiya. That is why when you see in bhashya and all, this is where I have a lot of confusion when I am doing some work. In Sanskrit, we see in dvitiya. If we want to translate in our own language, that dvitiya won't come. If we translate dvitiya as it is dvitiya, then sentence won't match. So these niyamas are very, very helpful in understanding properly. Especially, see, when we read Sanskrit, we will understand the vakya. Even though it is dvitiya, we don't pay attention whether it is Dvitiya or not, but we will read the Vakya and we will understand. Not even at a basic level, after some time we will be familiar and we will understand. But when we want to translate into our own language, it will be very difficult. But when we know all these niyamas very clearly, then we will understand, okay, this duh dhatu means here in Sanskrit, Dvitiya comes, but in our language, we can change it the vibhakti. So, dogdhi, duh dhatu. Because of the duh dhatu, ajam is in Dvitiya vibhakti, supposed to be in Panchami vibhakti. Is this clear?
So Poonaji, the sentence finally will be, he will milk the sheep.
He will milk from the sheep.
From the sheep. Okay, he will milk from the sheep. Okay.
Aja will be in Chaturthi or Panchami, Amma, when we convert
Panchami.
it.
Sorry, Panchami. From the sheep.
Yes.
From the sheep. Okay. Okay.
From the sheep we are milking, na? So, is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
So Poonaji, in these sentences, we are expected to add the subject and then say it.
Can you repeat?
So in these sentences, when the subject is not given, like who is doing this, so we just need to add something and then say it. Is it?
Yes. Because otherwise, in Telugu, without adding the subject also, we can translate it as it is. But in English, milking the milk from the sheep, that also we can say. But if we say he, then it will be clear that which Purusha, Strilinga or Pullinga, that will be clear. Otherwise, Strilinga or Pullinga, it will not be clear. In Sanskrit, it is clear, right? Dogdhi is Pullinga. It is indicating Saha. So, we don't need to write Saha. But if we want to write Saha, we can write. If we don't want to write also, it is okay. But this Linga will not be clear if you don't write. Anusha, is it clear?
Clear.
Others?
Clear.
Next Vakya. Drupam kshamam yachate. Drupam kshamam yachate. Yachate is the Atmanepada Pratyaya. Latlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. We did not see this. We'll see in next class, this Atmanepada Pratyayas. All dhatus won't have Atmanepada Pratyaya. Only few dhatus will have Atmanepada Pratyaya. Few dhatus will have Parasmaipada Pratyaya. So far, whatever we are seeing, those are Parasmaipada Pratyayas. This te, whenever this te comes, that is Atmanepada Pratyaya. Some dhatus will have Ubhayapade, means Parasmaipade and Atmanepade. Both it will have. Okay, Nrupam Kshamam Yachate. Shirishaji?
Yachate is future, is it?
No, present tense. Sorry, Dogdhi is also present tense only. It is not future tense. Dogdhi also present tense. Yachate present tense. Latlakara.
So he is asking forgiveness from the king.
Yes. So here from the king, we cannot say to king, though it is in Dvitiya. So these things we have to remember.
Or he is asking king to forgive him or something.
Uh-huh. So we will understand immediately, no, this is not correct. We have to understand something else like that. Okay, next. Tandulan Odanam Pachati. Shivananji?
Chawal bhat. Chawal bhat, both are rice. From the rice.
No, you have to see this Sanskrit Vakya and translate this Sanskrit to English, not from Hindi.
Okay, okay. Means both are rice only, no? Tandulan and Odana Pachati. From
Tandulan is Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Odanam is Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Pachati is Latlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
From rice. From rice is cooking.
Huh. Here we don't use from. We can use from raw rice in this cooking.
Like that, like the method is that both we are using rice only. No?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Can
we
we
can.
say rice grains are cooked into rice?
That way it makes sense.
Or rice is being cooked.
But again,
Rice is being
Odanam
cooked.
word is there. No?
Then Odanam word is there. We have to, they gave only Tandula and Odana, both in same. In Telugu, I think only Shivananji doesn't know Telugu, but I can translate in Telugu. బియ్యమును అన్నం వండుతున్నారు.
బియ్యంను అన్నంగా వండుతున్నారు.
బియ్యంను అన్నంగా వండుతున్నారు లేదా బియ్యంను అన్నం వండుతున్నారు. బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. సో తండులాన్ విసే బియ్యం, ఓదన విసే అన్నం. సో both are different words, we can manage. Next. Drupaha durjanam shatam dandayati. It is shatam. Anuswara should be there.
అమ్మా నేను చెప్పనమ్మా.
Kavya?
అమ్మా.
Yes.
రాజా దుర్జనుల మీద జరిమానా విధిస్తున్నాడు.
Yes. Drupaha, king is punishing the bad people with 100 rupees. Shatam is there. This shatam is with 100 rupees. Is that Vakya correct in English?
Can we say king is fining?
Right, Purnanji, Durjanam is one person, right? So,
Durjanam, yes, one person, Durjanam. How to say in English?
King fines 100 rupees from criminals or something. King fines.
yeah.
Fines, yes.
Imposes 100 rupees fine. but imposes is not there. So fines. The king fines 100 rupees to the bad person.
Huh. Next, Gruham Aja Runadhi. Vijayaji?
రుణద్ధి తెలుగు
Rudh Dhatu. Rudh
గృహం నుండి
Avarane.
గృహం అజరునద్ధి గృహం నుండి మేక గృహంను ఆవరించింది మేక
లేకపోతే అజం గృహంలో రోధిస్తుంది.
రుద్ మీన్స్ రోదయతి రోధించడం
Runadhi. Is that Rudh Dhatu or Ruh Dhatu? Not Ruh, Rudh Dhatu only.
Rudh is rokna, so to hold back or to.
Havarane. So Havarane here they means tied, right?
Correct.
Okay. Avarane means tired. Where is that? Gruham Aja Runadhi.
గృహంలో మేక రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటుంది అని
He's keeping
అతడు మేకను గృహంలో కట్టేశాడు.
Tied it.
He tied sheep in the house. Next, Anusha, Upadhyaya Dharmam Upadhyayah Dharmam Pruchhati.
ఉపాధ్యాయుడు ధర్మాన్ని మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు.
No, sorry, Upadhyayam. I think Anuswara should be there. Upadhyayam Dharmam Pruchhati.
ఉపాధ్యాయుడు ధర్మాన్ని మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు.
No, Shivananji. Upadhyayam. It is not Prathama, it is Dvitiya. Upadhyayam Dharmam Pruchhati. Pruchhati kaha?
Dharma.
Ask questions. Asking a question, I think.
Asking a question. Kaha?
About dharma.
No, Shishyaha.
Shishya. Shishya.
Who is asking?
Student is asking the teacher a question about dharma.
Okay.
Can you repeat again?
The student is asking a question about dharma to the teacher.
About the dharma to the teacher. Is it clear, Shivananji?
Yes, yes, clear.
See, this is where some things we can learn from here also. Pruchhati is given. There is no karta. Like in our bhashya also, like that this sentences comes. Then suddenly Swamiji asks, Pruchhati kaha? So there it will be very difficult. But these are okay. This is how we should practice. With the small sentences, when we practice, then when we read bhashya, it will be easy. We ourselves we can do this kind of practice. Upadhyayam dharmam pruchhati. Pruchhati is there. Kaha pruchhati? Who will ask teacher? Upadhyayam is there. Upadhyayam pruchhati. Asking to the teacher. Who is asking? Shishya is asking. About what? Dharmam. That's all. This is how we can do the shloka anvaya also. This way we should do.
1 minute. శిష్యుడు ఉపాధ్యాయుడిని ధర్మం గురించి అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఓకే.
Yes. Or saha atadu we can say. Whichever way. Even if we don't use saha, shishya, anything, also it is okay. Asking the teacher about the dharma. That's all. Lata pushpani chinoti. Next, who is that? Shirisha ji.
Lata is here is creeper, right?
Lata is no, not creeper. Name. Strilinga Shabda.
So Lata is picking the flowers.
Yes.
But the Hindi one says Lata se phool ko chunta hai.
Okay, it is not Lata, Latam. Then creeper, from creeper.
Okay.
Yes. Sorry. Same. Latam pushpani chinoti.
ఇన్ తెలుగు
పుత్రకు
తెలుగు
తీగ నుండి పువ్వుల్ని కలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, పువ్వుల్ని పోగు చేస్తున్నారు, లేదా పువ్వుల్ని తెంపుతున్నారు. చినోతి మీన్స్ టు కలెక్ట్.
It can be like he, she
Lata.
collecting flowers from the creepers.
Can you repeat?
He, she is collecting flowers from the creeper.
Yes. putra dharma braviti shastiva. Actually, if we don't know this Hindi, then we will depend upon Sanskrit. It is not putra, it is putram, I think. Putram dharmam braviti. Putram dharmam braviti shastiva. Aparna ji.
So the son is speaking about dharma. Is that according to Shastra or not? Is that Shastriya or
no? Anybody wants to say?
పుత్రుడు ధర్మాన్ని చెబుతున్నాడు.
What did I say? It is not putraha, putram. Putram dharmam braviti.
జనకః పుత్రం తండ్రి పుత్రుని ధర్మాన్ని చెబుతున్నాడు.
Jaya, you have already these notes?
నో అమ్మా.
అమ్మ ఇలా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు కదమ్మా, పుత్రుడికి ధర్మం గురించి చెప్తున్నారు ఇంకా శాసిస్తున్నారు అని.
That is the correct sentence. He or she is telling to telling about dharma or means shasanam means what?
శాసించడం అని చెప్తున్నారమ్మా.
No. I'm asking in English. Shasinchadam. What we use?
Ordering. Discipline, I think.
Discipline to son.
Can we say preach also? He's preaching dharma to
Preaching.
Shastri is, I think, discipline.
Shas means like vidhi. You should do. You should follow this. You should do this like that.
Dharma is preached to son.
Correct.
Dharma is speaking to son. Yes. Telling. Braviti means telling. Telling about dharma, telling to son. Preaching can come. But for preaching, we use, we don't use bru dhatu. We use buddha dhatu. Avabodhane.
Dharma is told to son.
Told to son. So Shasti means Shas also to tell. Both are to tell only. Braviti and Shas.
being told, right? Can it be dharma is being told to son or something?
What is the difference?
Told, being told. So
No. Braviti is let
That will
lakara.
become
Shas
past tense.
let
That is
lakara.
past tense.
Braviti is let lakara.
Vartamana
Shasti is
kala.
let lakara. Vartamana kala. Ramam shatam jayati. Okay, next who wants to? It's already 9:15. Okay, we can finish with this vakya. I forgot to see time. Ramam shatam jayati. Anyone can say.
Ram wins 100 rupees or 100 something. Or...
రాముడు 100 రూపాయలు జయిస్తుంది.
I use the Ramam Shabda, not Ramaha. Ramam Shatam Jayati.
Shatam Jayati.
Jayati kaha?
రాముడు
By Rama.
100 రూపాయలు జయిస్తున్నాడు.
Saha Jayati. He wins the.
So somebody else wins 100 rupees from Rama.
From Rama.
From Rama, he won.
Someone. So Saha Shatam Jayati from Rama.
Shatam Jayati. Saha Shatam Jayati Ramam. See, one thing, simple way of understanding, when Kriya Pada is there, Jayati is there. For Kriya Pada, we should add subject. What is the subject in this Vakya?
Saha.
Saha or Sa, whatever. Saha will take, it will be easy. Saha Jayati. Kim Jayati?
Shatam Jayati.
Shatam Jayati. What he is winning? 100 rupees he is winning. From whom?
From Rama. So from Rama.
Ramam. From Rama he is winning 100 rupees. This way we have to make the sentences. See, here Ramam is there, Jayati is there. See, Ramam cannot be Karta, right?
One question,
It will-
Purnaji, if it is from Rama, Saha Shatam Jayati, Ramam is making sense, but Ramat, why is it not Ramat? Because Panchami is from, right?
Yes,
Rama.
this Jai, Ji Dhatu, this is Jayati, na?
Okay, so
Whenever
this is one more niyama then. Okay.
when niyama is there, whenever these dhatus comes, then that shabda will be in dvitiya only. So we have to remember those shabdas. I was just making a note for that also. If you click here, document tabs will be there. In that, tab 2 is there. If you click that tab 2, niyamas are there. I was just before the class, I was making some notes on these niyamas. So it will be helpful to just look at whenever these kind of shabdas in Shastra, it comes, it will be easy to look at why it is in Dvitiya like that. Later also in this Grantha, whatever niyamas comes, we can add. So it will be easy. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Hari Om.